Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and this time around I'll be talking about the point, what is HTML? So we are going to answer that question, and I'm telling you it's going to be answered. So HTML is an acronym, and the full meaning is Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a standard language used to create web pages. So for web pages, the HTML is the language understood by the web browser. So it's the standard language used to create a web page. So it provides the structure for a web page by defining elements in such a way that the browser can understand it. You talk about heading, you talk about paragraph, you want to include image, you want to include links, and many more. So HTML provide the standard way for you to define all of those things so that your browser can understand it. So an HTML element are the building blocks of all websites. So HTML provides the structural facility for your web pages. You might want to ask a question. Maybe you've done some research on your own. You might want to ask, then how is HTML different from CSS, JavaScript, or any other server-side language? So what HTML does is that HTML provides a structural, what's it called, structural part, while CSS add beauty, add customizations to it, then your JavaScript add interactivity to your web pages. So that is just it, nothing more than that. HTML, don't forget, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the language that provide structure for your web pages. That is that. Don't forget to like this video, ask your question in the comments if you are not clear about anything, and also subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends, share it with your colleague in your place of work, so that it can also be a blessing to more people. Thank you so much. Meet you in another release.